guys, that's Soso Kitchen. Today I'm very happy because I'm going to make my favorite rice. My favorite rice is yellow rice. They have all kinds of rice. They have black rice, they have green rice. Now today we're going to learn yellow rice. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to do it. First, I put one. That Dacian spice I'm going to use today. Not too much, just a little. Okay? I'm going to do 1 cup rice, 2 cup water. Put it in the water, in the grease. Okay? 2 cups for 1 cup of rice. To make the yellow rice, we have this one, bijol. You use this one. Some people use turmeric. I don't like the turmeric one. That's good too. This one is turmeric. I don't like turmeric. I use this one. That's cheaper, that's $1. Everywhere. $1.10. If you want to use it, you want your yellow rice to be yellow, you put more. Less, make it very light. I'm going to make half. Not too much, just this one, okay? You're going to see yellow rice. Since you know me, I like this one. That's my favorite one in the yellow rice. I use this one, that's better. I like it, all kinds of colors in this one. I'm going to use this one for me today. Not too much. I put Maggi. Some people, they don't use Maggi. You use what you like in your food because you create your food. That's your food. You can do anything you want to do. Salt. And then I like persil and thyme. I always put this one together. Persil and thyme. You put it. Pepper for taste. That's it. You're going to see the yellow rice. The yellow rice, guys, and this one for the yellow rice. Okay? I'm going to wait. Guys, that's the water. That's the rice. I'm going to put the rice now. Okay. And then wait for 5 or 10 minutes until the water is done. We're going to see the yellow rice, like this one. Wait for the yellow rice. That's perfect. Thank you. Okay guys, that's the yellow rice. Nou pa e gare. Le nou di un bagay, nou kampe de sa nou di ya, okay? That's the yellow rice. When I say they have green rice, they have green rice, okay? Nou pa e gare. Okay, I always take it off this one before when my rice is done. That's the yellow rice. If you want to put onion, you put a little onion. If you want to, if you like it. I like it. I cut the onion. I'm not going to put all. I'm going to put just a little one. Just like that. And my rice. The yellow one, and then I'm going to put just a little tiny oil. This one, that's it, and then I put this one back again, the garlic, and then I put the stove and 3 or 2 for 10 more minutes, and then the food is ready. I'm going to show you the yellow rice. Okay, that's my favorite rice.